You are going to love the 2017 XTS. The Cadillac XTS will have every kind of feature you can think of. It comes with a spacious, high-tech cabin and packed with lots of safety features. It is a full-size luxury cruiser, a pleasant ride for any Caddy owner, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, power passenger seat, air conditioning, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, one owner, heated rear seats, four-wheel disc brakes. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.